Well, I cut all the tops off of the onions. This is a pretty good sized bowl here. Let's see if I can show. Yeah, pretty good sized bowl. And then over here ones that I also, part of these are garlics. I suppose I should move the onions over, but these haven't dried quite as long, so I thought I'd keep them separate for a while. And then I picked some potatoes. This is from a plant that I didn't plant, and I'm guessing that's a Yukon Gold. That's what it looks like to me. So that's my harvest for right now. The wind is really blowing out here today. I think our weather app said it was like about 16 miles an hour, which I know for some of you that's not much, but these petunias continue to be pretty. Such beautiful color. My patty pan has had blooms. I don't have any squash on there yet. That tends to happen with me with squash. No matter what kind I grow, I get beautiful plants, but no squash. I know I showed you this before, but every day it gets a little more ready to pick. I could pick it and take it in, I know, but how are we doing over here? I don't know if I have any actual squash going on. Doesn't look like it. This is several different kinds of spinach in this container, and then my beets are doing nicely. That one right there is not so much. It kind of got dry. It didn't seem to get as much water as the rest of them. I see I have a grass to pull there. Yeah, that only got part of it. That nice asparagus over there, which next year I should actually be able to pick some of it. And I took, my shadow's in the way, I took more cuttings off of my neighbor's grapes, a couple months ago, and they seem to still be living, so I'm guessing they are putting down roots and doing okay. Well, I'm going to head back in the house. It's getting pretty warm out here. Plus it's quite windy, so I've got things I need to do inside. So, finish up this video later. Well, it's the next day. I didn't get the video anymore done yesterday, so I suspect I'll just kind of close off this video and save anything else I might think of to say for a different video, the next one perhaps. So, oh goodness, that's the cat running back. It must be exercise time. Well, I thought I was going to catch her running, but she went back into the back bedroom. Oh well, it would have been fun to have caught it on the video. But I had to stop and turn the screen around. Oh, here comes the other kitty. She's just taking her time. That one's Button. Button, you're going to get Lulu to come back out here? Do her little running escapade? She was after some sort of a little flying bug a little bit ago. I don't know if it was a fly or a gnat or something. Anyway, that's the way it goes. The things you want on the video don't always get there. So I will see you on the next video, and until then, may the good Lord richly bless you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell button so that you get notified, and share so that other people know about my channel. I haven't done a whole lot on it of late, but we'll get back into the groove here pretty soon. Just a lot of stuff going on. Well, that's all for today. Take care. Until next time. Darlene, at Darlene's Garden in Markwood Meadows, which, as you know, is just my pet name for my yard, in Athena, Oregon. Happy YouTubing, happy gardening, happy homesteading, happy cooking, happy everything you do.